Many times I'll have a client call me who was just attacked or bitten or mauled by a dog, and they want to know whether or not they can have a successful case against the owner of the dog. It's very difficult these days in New York State to succeed in prosecuting a case for injuries against the owner of the dog. You need to be able to prove that the owner knew of that dog's violent propensities. If this is the first time the dog had ever attacked anybody, or if you cannot prove that the dog had ever attacked somebody else, more likely than not, your case will fail. However, if you have witnesses from the neighborhood or the community that can establish that this particular animal, this particular pet, is violent, has violent propensities, then you might have a successful claim. You can also go to your local government. Many county governments keep records on animal bites. So if an animal bites somebody else, there will be a public record of that. And if you discover that information, and you are not the first person injured by this dog, you can usually have a successful claim against that dog owner. The next question, of course, is if you prove the violent propensity of the dog and you prove which injuries are, you still need a way to collect for those injuries. Hopefully, the owner of the dog will have a homeowner's insurance policy or an umbrella liability policy that covers that type of accident or that type of loss. Because at the end of the day, if you prove a case and you're not able to recover what your case is worth, it really doesn't do you any good. So those are the three elements. Does the dog have violent propensities? What is your injury? And is there going to be insurance coverage for the claim?